Hey, today I wanna show you how to fix the reverse problem in the AliExpress radio. So let's begin. And we have our radio, we have our ISO connector fabric from the car. For me it's Renault, and most of the radio have these ISO connectors, and the problem is that these ISO connectors have our back cable for reverse, and for me the back cable, as you can see, I will take this off for a while, and as you can see we have the same side this way, and the reverse cable is a pink one, and here I have a cable, but not for the reverse system. I don't know which one the cable is, but we have the problem that when we stop our car, the radio is perfect and it's working, but it's not working. It have reverse problem when it's running. So let's test it. Now we've got no voltage, and now I will go this way and start driving. As you can see, we have a voltage, so in this situation we have our signal for this radio to take the reverse. So back. Okay, we'll stop our car. Now let's take this and where I put and this. So we have no voltage for now. We can check if we have voltage in our ISO cable. So give me a sec. I have power supply here. GNC here. Yeah, here we have a voltage. Because we are on night, I need to turn off complete the car. No ignite, so we have no power supply for now. And we do the simplest way to run it, and just to make it perfectly sure, once again, here our fabric ISO, our connector from the radio. We have power section here, and it's correct. We have most of the cables, but here we have our back, and here I have this little one cable. So let's take it. This way. This way. And now we run the car. That's perfectly fine. We can check our power supply. I will put it here. And let's take a look. We have power here and here, and the voltage is perfectly fine. And we will test the this little fella for now. Here drive, and for now we will drive. And not even something.